This indicator literally just plots buy and sell signals on your chart, and anybody can access it for free. I code custom trading indicators. I made this dot plot that you're seeing in the lower section of the chart here. However, these buy and sell arrows painting on the chart are not one that I have created. They are an indicator that comes free within your trading software. It's actually the indicator that got me inspired to begin building my own. It's really the first non-common, should I say, indicator that I ever used, like not a moving average or RSI, MACD, etc., stuff that everybody uses. I found this and it really helped to change my trading forever. It's called the Person's Pivot Study, or PPS for short. It is a momentum and direction indicator that, of course, includes buy signals and sell signals, but also slow and fast moving averages. I'll show it to you here with the averages also plotted onto the chart, but what I typically do is I turn off the plots for these averages so that I can just see the crossover indicators, which makes it easier to combine this study with others. Now, as I said, this is not one of my custom created studies, but as we're continuing to talk over it and continuing to talk through some trade strategies with this study, if you get interested in custom studies like this, I have over 70 different ThinkorSwim codes that are available for easy import into your trade software over on my website, daytradingstrategies.net. There'll be a link in the description down below. Go check it out. As always with any ThinkorSwim study, this automatically loads onto your chart when you switch tickers and when you switch time frames. You don't have to worry about changing any settings. Whatever data is being displayed on your chart, the study will automatically adjust for. Now, the point of this video is not at all me saying you should go buy stocks where this thing tells you and sell stocks where this indicator tells you, but simply to showcase how easy and useful it is to potentially be combined with other indicators. For example, I've got the 200 simple moving average plotted on my chart. And if you see a stock getting a buy signal above the 200 simple moving average, maybe you can interpret that as a strong stock on a dip curling back up. Then, of course, in the same vein, if you are one who enjoys short selling when below the 200 simple moving average and you get a sell signal, you can interpret that as a weak stock on a bounce good enough to short into. Hit like if you learned something, subscribe if you would like to learn more. Remember, this study is called the PPS. It is available within your ThinkorSwim natively. There is no special importing that you need to do to access this thing. However, if you would like to import over 70 different custom studies, strategies, scanners, etc., once again, check out the website, daytradingstrategies.net. Link in the description down below. Go sign up and become a better trader today. With all that being said, I'll catch you on the next one.